How to download the Photomath app on PC. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily download the Photomath app on your PC. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do is download BlueStacks on your PC. Make sure that you download BlueStack. It's an Android emulator and you can download any Android apps on your phone from Google Play Store. So this is the world's #1 Android emulator, as it says. Once you have installed BlueStacks, open it up and you can search for Photomath here. Hit enter and you'll find this application right here. Now you can click on install from Google Play and the app will start installing. Or you could just open up the app player right here and it will open a different window of the app player. And now you can just download the application from here as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.